So let us start today the next program. So we are here to teach you the introduction to programming in C. So far we have learned many programs regarding so I have done this. We have already done this calculations. So now let us start with the third program. How do you check the given character is lowercase or uppercase or special character? This is the program. How exactly will be done? First, you have to start the program. How do you start? You have to take the input character from the user. That you have to check whether it is lowercase or uppercase. So with the given character, you are supposed to check three parameters. One is either it is lowercase or uppercase or special character. So the value whatever is read, we are using a variable called ch and we are inputting the character. User is inputting the character. And I'm checking with this the entered ch value, whether it is greater than or equal to 65 and the entered character is less than or equal to 90. Both have to check. If the condition is true, yes means, then it is uppercase because you are checking if it is greater than 65, less than or equal to 90, definitely it will be uppercase. Otherwise, if it is no, then it will follow here. Again, it will go back. It will check the condition. See, either it has to be true or false, yes or no. If yes, it will print and it will exit. No, then again it has to check. If that is the case, then whether the given character, if it is greater than or equal to 97 and less than or equal to 122 within this range, if it is there, if the condition is true, then it is lowercase. Output is lowercase. That is ch is lowercase. Otherwise, again it will go to the next condition, that is greater than or equal to 48. Again it will check if that condition is failed, then it will check whether it greater than or equal to 48 or less than or equal to 57. Again, if the condition is yes, then it will print it's a number. Otherwise, it will be since all the three conditions have been checked and it's going to know, then ch definitely it should be a special character. That is how the flow of a program goes. Let us see the code. Now, so what the logic I have used here is according to ASCII. It has total 256 characters, right? So out of which minus 26 characters are English capital letters or uppercase. Minus 26 characters are English small letters or lowercase. Otherwise, 10 are numbers from 0 to 9 digits. Or otherwise, the rest is special character. So now the program is to check whether it is uppercase or lowercase. First, you have to declare a variable. Declaring a variable, character variable called ch. Then you have to ask it to prompt and read a character from the user. So for that you have to ask him to enter any character using printf function. You are already familiar using printf function. Then you have to read that character into the scanf function. Through scanf function, that is, so CH is already variable declared and you are reading that value, whatever user is entered will go on certain CH variable. So first logic what I have used here is, if this variable CH, whatever the user has entered, if it is greater or equal to capital A and less than or equal to capital Z, then it is uppercase alphabet. If this condition is true, only then it will print the statement within the bracket. See, this printf statement will be executed only if this condition is true. Now, if this condition is true, only then it will get inside and it will print, yes, the uppercase is alphabet and what is it, character. Next, else if. I'm using else if, means if that is true, if that is not true, if that fails, then it has to come to this and it has to execute this. It has to check the condition. Now you are checking the condition whether that CH value is greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z. Then as I have told you that if this condition is true, only then it will execute this printf statement. That's why user has entered what character. If that condition is true, then it should be definitely a lowercase alphabet and what the print that value, variable value. Means variable is ch, the value is stored in ch, that's why you print the value whatever user has entered. Otherwise, if this condition is failed, then again it will go to the next condition. It will check next condition. If this condition is failed, then it will go to the next condition. If CH is greater than or equal to 0 and CH is less than or equal to 9, then the entered character is digit. Okay. So, if this condition is true, only then it will execute this printf statement. Otherwise, it will not enter. It will not execute. Then it will go to the next. If this condition is not true or if it is false, then it will not execute this printf statement. Directly, it will go to else statement and it will execute this statement. If it falls here, no condition is being checked. In the else condition, if all these conditions failed, then execute the last statement. User entered character is nothing but a special character. Well, you print that character what he has entered. This is about the output. Okay. So logic 2. How logic 2? Because this is logic 1. Logic 1 means I have used ASCII character, ASCII values. Sorry, here. Now I am going to tell you by comparing their ASCII values, how do you do that? You can execute it and we can check the condition. We know that each character in ASCII table has a value in the range of 0 to 255. So 48 to 57 means numbers or digits from 0 to 9. 65 to 90 means capital letters from A to Z. 97 to 122 or small letter from A to Z. Now, let us start with the program. If CH, the variable, if it is greater than or equal to 65, and this double ampersand will tell you and is same variable if it is less than or equal to 97. See, when I use and, this compulsory, it has to check both and if both should be equal, only then it will get inside. Otherwise, no, it will fail. So both the conditions should become true. If that is the case, only then this printf statement will be executed, uppercase alphabet, and it will print that alphabet. Else if the condition is failed, then it will go to the next statement. In that again, if condition is there, Again, and using and operator, you're checking the condition of a variable. So here of the variable, so it's ch if this greater than or equal to 97, or if the entered value is less than or equal to 122, only then, if both the conditions are true, only then it will execute this printf statement, and lowercase is alphabet followed by lowercase. That value will be printed. Otherwise, it will go to the next statement. If that previous condition is failed, then it will go to this next one. If ch is greater than or equal to 48 and ch is less than or equal to 57, then if the condition is true, then it will enter inside and it will execute the printf statement that user has entered the character and the entered value is nothing but a digit followed by that value to print the value, because comma ch have used in printf statement. If that condition is not true, then it will go to the else condition. In that else condition, user entered character is nothing but a special character. Okay, then it will print if the slash n, backslash n. It is nothing but new line character. Then it will end the program. How exactly the output will be executed is, if suppose I have entered the character small a, then it will print like this: user entered character a is lower case alphabet, user entered character a is uppercase alphabet, that is 97, like that. Enter any character z, like this you get the output. I've used for all the outputs, that is a, z, 5, and then special character. All the values have entered and checked, and it is correct. Now, today we have understood about how to check the given character is lowercase or uppercase or special character. So, if you have any queries, please write to follow this mail ID, and also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.